how to post a video on YouTube on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can post a video on the YouTube app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to post a video on the YouTube application on your iPhone, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your YouTube application and make sure that you are signed into a proper channel or a proper account where you would like to upload your videos. After you've done that, if you look at the very bottom right here, you'll find the plus icon. So you want to tap the plus icon here. Now it'll ask you to simply choose to record a video, but since we want to upload our own video, just go to the video section here. Once you go to the video section, just select a random video that maybe you would like to upload for some reason here. And after you've done that, all you have to do is just hit the next option, whether you want to upload this as a short, upload this as a full-fledged video. Make sure to enter your sound, the text, the description, and so on. And your video will get successfully published after you have saved the changes. This way you can upload a video to YouTube on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.